We're just a wannabe Urban Outfitters video today.
We are.
Pop and go.
New year, real me. Real mistakes, y'all.
Hi guys, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the Sorry Girls.
And we're back doing one of our all-time favorite series, Thrift Flip.
Thrift Flip. Today, honestly, I don't know what we're gonna do.
I think storage is the thing that I know you guys are always interested in, so we're gonna keep that in mind.
Yeah.
And just see if anything like jumps out at us and looks cool.
All right, let's go.
No, sorry.
Moving on.
I'm getting this for the loft.
It's one of those like banana holders. I think it's a spice rack.
Are you personally shopping right now, Becky?
Look at how cute this one is, and this one's like hollow, except it doesn't have a lid.
Wait, I got you. Wait.
No.
Wait. Hack. Stolen.
Woo! Okay, back to the office.
All right.
Okay, we're back from the thrift store, and we got some cute items today.
Oh yeah, a little bit of a different haul than normal.
Yeah.
We were looking for things that we could DIY, but then we just found cute things that we wanted personally.
Yeah, literally, I'm like, I'm buying this, and Becky's like, I'm buying this, and I'm like, can we just like do something with all this stuff that we're buying?
Like, is this not the cutest watering can? Although I think it's maybe for milk or cream because it was in that aisle. I don't know. I'm obsessed.
I found these like frosted little glasses. I'm trying to always like grow the plant fam literally by like cutting off snippings and growing them. So yeah, little plant or even like a candle in that. So cute.
Yeah, so those are some like decor pieces that inspired like a vibe in the loft. So we're gonna DIY some bigger things that can kind of add to the vibe. So I was just like record browsing for myself and found some cool records. But that made us think.
When we went to the not the dish rack aisle, like the.
We were just walking around the store.
There's this dish rack, and we're like, could this be?
I was like,
a record holder?
Are you kidding me? Like I can't believe it's not what it's meant for.
We're gonna upcycle that by, and then we found this. It's like the coolest like half moon shelf thing.
It was maybe somebody's DIY. We don't really know what it's for, but it's a cool shape, so we're gonna turn it into an even cooler item.
Yes, and then we also found a very cool chair that, again, I was just like, we're bringing this home, and we're just gonna add it to our corner, and we'll show you guys that later.
All right, we'll DIY these things and show you what we do with them. So fun!
You can stay there. You can start.
Beep, 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 beep. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is paint this thing gold to give it a bit of a refresh. But I think I can take off this bottom tray that A is a little dirty, and B, we just don't need it. God, too big and too small. What is this, Goldilocks over here? All right. Wait, this is IKEA.
Wait, really?
I don't know from what year, but that's funny. It's IKEA on the bottom. Wow. Maybe if they still sell this, you can make this. So next is painting. So I have primer and gold paint, and we actually just ordered this funky thing in the mail. It's like a children's pop-up tent, but we're gonna try and use it as a spray painting tent because it's very cold and wet here in Canada, and spray painting in the cold does not work so well, so hopefully I can spray paint this inside of it.
That's how you die.
Oh, thanks.
By spray painting in there, I mean. And we need like ventilation.
Ventilate yourself, y'all.
So excited.
So this guy is spray painted gold, and I've never been so happy with a spray paint job in my life. Like, that pop-up tent is my new favorite thing in the office because I am obsessed. It's so beautiful. So that's pretty much done. So the only thing I want to do extra is put like a little shelf at the bottom since we took the metal one out. So we have some scrap wood lying around the office from, I don't know, some DIY along the way. So I'm gonna trim it to fit nicely in here using the saw, and then I think I'm gonna stain it with a mid-century modern-esque brown shade that we use in a lot of our DIYs. Okay, what has been cut, stain has been applied, and it looks good, but let's test it out. Oh yeah, perfect fit. That looks awesome. Wait, let's test it out first. Make sure that this whole idea actually works. So, yes. Yes! That is so cool. I can't believe that was a dish rack. If you showed this to anyone, they'd be like, nah, it's not a dish rack. It's a vinyl holder thing. Record album. Vinyl. Anyways, next, you're up.
So we got this shelf thing, really inspired by this DIY project. I'm pretty sure it's a DIY project. But to spice it up a bit, we're going to add a chain to hang it by and paint the back of this gold to, you know, make it a little bit more chic. Okay, this gold is looking so good that I'm just gonna actually do the entire thing. So now that it's all painted gold, it looks extra half moony now. And I'm going to add a chain. So got this chunky gold chain, and you could use like eyelet, what are they called? Eye hooks. And you could use eye hooks here, but I don't know why our craft store is fresh out of eye hooks. Like, no thank you. So we're gonna do a little nail situation on the back, which is gonna work just as well. And then I can kind of figure out the length later, but pretty cool. Okay, like if you went like that, like it should stay, right? Oh, shit. What if it's like shorter? Ah! Let's see if it's shorter. Oh God, like the front? Guys, who's a physics major in the audience? All right, take two. Okay, so I'm gonna put this nail in, and I'm gonna put it in kind of middle front here, so that it doesn't fall backwards. Hold on, is this how we test it? Like put it on my finger, and it's like wherever it, right? So we should put it there. Math, physics, yo. After figuring out where the, what is it, like the center of gravity, center of balance. Okay, so this better work, otherwise I give up. Usually we would cut out these mistakes, but okay. Hallelujah!
That's right, physics.
Physics ain't got nothing on me. And it's done. Very impressed. Physics. So now we're gonna take this and the record stand and style everything that we got from the thrift store. All right, guys, that was this week's thrift flip, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. Like when we were picking this stuff up, and we're like, okay, this is like, I guess it's kind of gonna work.
Like it's random. None of these things really go together, but we'll make it work. It turned out so good.
Good job, team.
I'm like looking at it right there, and it looks so good together. It's such a vibe, and it looks so expensive.
And that chair, though, stoked to have that in the loft. New addition. What up?
So good.
All right.
I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed it.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, we do thrift flips semi-regularly. It's a little series we do, so make sure you check out the link in the description as well. I'm sure they're like linked up here, more thrift flip episodes. And let us know what you want to see next, what type of like thrift flip, like what kind of theme, like clothing related. Oh, last year, I remember people wanted us to do prom dresses.
Woo!
We can't forget to do that this year. I remember last year we like saw it after like prom season and I was like, damn it, that would be such a good one.
I'm so not like an
Ooh,
amazing sewer, but
neither
it
am
could
I.
be interesting.
It could be so interesting. Anyways, subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed.
Also, we just launched some super cool merch that was totally designed from the ground up by us.
Yeah, and made in Canada.
These are iron-on patches. They say not sorry because although we're the Sorry Girls, we're not sorry for being really good at making stuff.
Yeah, and you guys shouldn't be sorry either.
You can put them anywhere. They're really fun. Check them out. Link in the description.
Yeah, all right, thank you guys so much for watching this video, for checking that out. We'll see you in our next video. If you like it, make sure you like it.
And if you love it, make sure you check out the link in the bio for these.
Okay,
bye.
Left me hanging. Stop it. Okay,
Bye.